Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to set up a proxy in GoLogin browser. Open the GoLogin browser, click on add profile. Now cross it, scroll down and click try free plan. Click on add profile. Now enter your profile name here. Now click on settings. Click on three dots here. Click settings. Click your proxy. Now enter the details of your proxy here. And after entering the details, just click on check proxy. Now you can see our US proxy is activated. Now just click save button here. Now just click run. So it will run our US proxy. Now let me check my IP address here. Now you can see our proxy IP address is from Virginia, United States. Thanks for watching.